Guys, what's up? This is the last review I'm doing before I upload all my videos that are stored in my camera, which included the review of the Landspeeder, the Atlantis Deep Sea Diver, the Clone Walker over right there. And there might be one more I'm forgetting, but it's highly unlikely. And, well, this is one of the most classic sets. It's the LEGO Star Wars Luke's Landspeeder. Ages 7 to 12, set number 8092, Luke's Landspeeder, and 163 pieces. It's a special edition set, so I got this before they were gonna stop production, so I showed you in my haul video. It comes with R2-D2, Sentry Droid, C-3PO, Sand Trooper, Obi-Wan Kenobi, and Luke Skywalker. And an action shot. Stop falling, Obi. Then back here is some features, which is one, you can lift the top, and yeah, advertisement for other sets, and I have that. So that's the box. And here's what the instructions look like. Another action shot. The back is plain. I wish I got the TIE Defender before stop production, but they still have it at Target. I need to get it at Target. The feature in Luke Skywalker, and that. So let's start off with the minifigures. You get a Sentry Droid, which is pretty good, but you can build it. It's two circular bricks, a clear disc, a red clear stud, two white cheese tiles, the piece that can hold 4 on each side, and the bottom and top, and a white antenna with blackness. Son racist. A Sand Trooper, which is just a regular stormtrooper with pauldron and backpack. So it's a regular black head with the regulars. Let's get this focused. Don't mind the noise, that's just my TV. So regular helmet, a black head, a custom backpack. Oh, it didn't come off. A custom backpack. Looks like a commando backpack a little. And a pauldron for the arm. Well, like goes on the head, and then, you know, regular stormtrooper body. Dual printed. And it is the same as a stormtrooper from the Empire dropship. And I'm happy I got this because this is what I really wanted the whole time for this set. The Clone Wars head, R2-D2. See, this is another Clone Wars head, R2-D2. And then this right here is a original head, R2-D2. You can kind of see the difference. This is bluish gray. Yep. My camera is not focusing, so going kind of quick on this. C3PO, which isn't golden. Would have been nice if it was shiny. Instead of the plain gold. Custom molded head. Oh wait, I forgot one thing. Let me check. If you were wondering, the components were made in Denmark, Hungary, United Kingdom, China, Mexico, and the Czech Republic. I haven't seen the United Kingdom ever make a piece before, but China and Mexico. Now let me decide which pieces are from China. This isn't from China, that's from Mexico. Then the rest, I don't know. I think that might be from China. I don't know. Figures are falling. So like two-sided printing, golden legs, and a golden head. Hard plastic at least. Luke Skywalker, teenager form. Finally it focuses and I drop it. So, smiley face, Luke hair, blue lightsaber with the dull gray, the shiny dull blade. I said that in the last video. You know what it means. One side of printing, 10 legs with printing. And printed chest. Like a robe or something. And then Obi-Wan in his oldness form. One side of printing, no leg printing, robeness. This is my first Obi-Wan. Old face and gray hair. And a dull shiny lightsaber. Now move those out of the way and onto the main thing. So it's Luke's Landspeeder. And so when they're sitting, you can take apart the lightsaber and put it in like that. Then these engines, I find it kind of a bad design. Not necessarily bad, but what happened? Did I break it or something? Oh, alright. Fail. Where did the piece go? No. No, do not. Oh, it's in my shirt. So, yeah. And then, I kind of find it weird how, see this brick here, it's like that there. So, there's a hole in the back like that, but then in the instructions it also tells you to do the same way like that. So it looks like that, which I find pretty weird. And not very symmetrical, which I like symmetricalness. Then there's a design on here, ventilation system, and then this new piece, to me at least. 2 seats, a steering wheel, and this is different from this, and then that. Black studs, lots of tan plates. So, see, you take the lightsabers apart and throw them in there. And then put Obi-Wan on the side, the passenger seat, and Luke driving. R2-D2 right here. But it's stupid how in there shows him walking. He doesn't walk in the movie. Then C-3PO on the other side. Hey, are those the droids we're looking for? No, they are not the droids you're looking for. Oh, okay then. And then he dies. Then a sentry droid comes up and says, "Brr, brr, brr, brr," and then R2-D2's like, "Dear, dear," and then shocks him. And then they drive away peacefully. And then these two pieces are flexy. Let me take this apart for you guys. See, they're flexy. Flexy. I like the design, how they put it together. Let me just... And you should get this set before they stop production, because that's pretty soon. Because this is a 2010 set. And they're going out pretty soon, maybe the next year. And this is also special edition, so they might stop production soon. And yeah, so I recommend this for classical fans, and because you get this pretty cool Stormtrooper, Sentry Droid, and these figures. It's really maybe like $15 overpriced, but I still think it's a good deal compared to that Freako Landspeeder. I like this way more. Cause if you heard me, I was ranting on about it, about the Freako in the last review. So that's it. Sorry for the long video, but you guys can handle that. So bye.